Next up, Rosh is in the hinterland of the Sunshine Coast to see this home with plenty of heart and eventually one lucky winner.
I'm here in beautiful Mullaney in the Sunshine Coast hinterland to check out an absolutely stunning home. Not only does this property feature an amazing solar power system, but it's also a lottery home, which means any one of us could win it. Dom, thank you so much for inviting me to beautiful Mullaney. It was an amazing drive up, but really coming around the corner and seeing this incredible property has absolutely blown me away.
This home is a special one for us. We're celebrating our 75th anniversary this year. We wanted to work with our architect and builder to create something really special. So, Rosh, I really hope it just blows you away.
Dom, walking around the corner into this incredible space, I just mesmerised by these really, really high ceilings. And once again, the whole overall lodge feel it gives me, it's like a big warm hug.
It's a big property, right? Someone is going to have a really big win when they get this property. And for me, this is my favourite room. So this is where it all comes together. The whole concept comes together. This is the community area. You have an intimate space over here, but you have this shared outdoor pizza oven area opening out onto the pool, and it just absolutely delivers on that dream family experience.
I love the way you've actually introduced the log fire as well.
We've got beautiful elevated views in Mullaney, and it does get that little bit colder in winter. And you know, when everyone goes home, you can enjoy a wood-fired hot tub experience as well. So we thought of all the little things that can help make this a cozy, wonderful home any time of the year.
Dom, I can really see how you've created that separation between family and guests.
Yep.
I mean, walking around the corner into the actual family area, 3 bedrooms.
Yep.
3 very generous bedrooms as well.
Yep.
And the master is absolutely incredible.
Oh, the master just takes it to the next level. What amazes me is that you get a sense of privacy. And as we know, this is a really big property, and that's a really great achievement, I think, that's been brought about through the design of the home, is you can enjoy the big open spaces, but also have that private retreat.
Dom, you've literally ticked every single box that I and my wife would be looking for our future home. It's contemporary, it's energy efficient, it's so spacious, it's absolutely stunning. What I love most about it, as well as the beautiful aesthetics of the property, is the fact you've chosen one of my favourite brands for the battery storage, being Anker SOLIX.
Yep.
Can you tell me a little bit more about what led you to that particular brand?
Well, we want the very best experience for our winner. We pride ourselves on quality products that are going to give a winner a completely unencumbered experience of surprise and delight. And most importantly, just be energy independent. Nothing makes more sense in today's economy, right? So it's EV friendly, and it literally takes care of itself.
The Endeavour Foundation is a fantastic charity, and we've donated the system in partnership with Anker SOLIX. It's a lovely big system on a lovely big home for an even bigger cause. A lot of our customers love the Anker SOLIX because of the aesthetics and the thin profile, especially in a garage where you're bringing cars in. It's really narrow, it's a high performing battery that looks amazing and long lasting, great technology. Yeah, with a beautiful prize home like this one on the Sunshine Coast hinterlands, we're both close to the ocean where we've got the C5M marine rated batteries, and you've also got backup for the home for the circuits that you need during a blackout. We had a cyclone last year in this region, and we often get extended blackouts and power storms as well. So you've got the peace of mind that during a blackout, you've got your own power station here, providing backup power to the home with 24 kilowatts of panels on the roof, continuously recharging those batteries whilst it's off grid. I've been incredibly impressed with this beautiful Endeavour Lotteries home. It's something that everyone should jump in and grab some raffle tickets to win. Beautiful home, beautiful big solar system, beautiful big batteries, and a fantastic big course.
This is literally the dream home for absolutely anyone.
Yep.
And what's incredible is every time you buy a ticket, it's going to a fantastic cause.
That's right.
Can you tell me a little bit more about the cause and the foundation?
Yeah, Endeavour Foundation's amazing. It was founded 75 years ago to support families who have a family member with an intellectual disability. We're now Australia's largest employer of individuals with intellectual disability, and we help them across the whole gamut of everyday life. Every Australian can be super proud of the Endeavour Foundation and what we do to support people with an intellectual disability.
Dom, it's an incredible charity, an amazing foundation, 75 years strong, and this home is testament to the hard work that you and many others put into it. I'm certainly going to be going out there to buy a ticket. The draw is now live. Thank you so much for showing me around today. I really do appreciate it.
You're absolutely welcome, Rosh, and good luck in the draw.
Thank you very much.
Take your time,